So yeah, hello everyone. Basically, this video's title, even she is unaware of.
Yes.
So it's like, this is your Q&A video
Hey.
because tomorrow is your board exam, right? So basically, we are here to run, and this is the place. We'll show you later on, right? So yeah, first of all, tell me how you're feeling.
Very scared and fucking hell.
Why?
I don't know. My heart is not on studies. Yeah.
So it's on what?
It's on overthinking.
It's on Karan Aujla.
No.
Then
I don't know.
it's
It's
on.
like when you are opening the book, read it for the 5 minutes with complete dedication, then 10 minutes with the overthinking, then again 5 minutes with the
Like your
dedication.
overthinking is sum up of what then?
Past times.
What pastime? It's
Like I didn't took the photos on the farewell and all. Then okay, the songs were like Meri Kali Activada and all this rubbish stuff. And what I wrote on others, the shirts and all.
But this thinking are very small part of your journey.
Yeah.
So they can't be for every time. Like for 15 minutes, if you're thinking about this thing, so it's very much. Like for another 15 minutes, that is for sure that you won't get another time for that only.
Yeah, but if I'm screaming and reading my answers, then I am able to dedicate on my answers. That is why I was going to the third floor and reading my answers, shouting.
Okay.
But there also sometimes when I used to get shut, then started. And that song Dil Lagana, that was the completely crazy. Like whenever I'm stopping, like no, I don't want to remember the song. Please keep talking with me. I don't want. I want myself to be busy. Please.
Okay. So tell me. Okay, fine. So what you are expecting your first paper to be?
I will expect that my first paper to be very nice, so that I'll be completely
motivated.
dedicating. Yeah, completely dedicating to my work
You
and
need
like
dopamine,
yeah,
sort of, right?
and something like dedication.
So yeah, I just want to give you guys a disclaimer that these questions are not at all prepared priorly. These are just the questions that is to be done, instantly. So yeah, next question of mine is that what you are expecting, like we'll go through the marks that you are expecting in each exam of in each subject of yours, okay? So what you are expecting, like how much marks you can attend in English paper?
An English paper.
Like your assumption should be very well, because when result will announce, we'll compare this video from your actual result. So
Okay.
make sure that the thing should be very clear.
Yeah, so I feel that my English papers marks will be 80 out of 65 plus.
65 plus. I don't think that that your ex friend was thinking that, or your wife friend was thinking like that.
I was
or
not
something.
even thinking about that.
Yeah. So like you are expecting your marks to be 65 above, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And what about mathematics?
That will be 75 up.
I don't want that you to be in a pressurized mode or something.
No,
I want your answer to be very correct. Like,
Yeah,
correct in
75.
sense it should be +5 -5, not more than that.
75 up.
Okay.
Approx.
Okay. And what about social science?
Social science, that will be also 75 up.
And
Somewhat, no 70 up, because the questions are like rubbish,
but yeah,
But
it's
yeah,
like
I
your
am able
subject,
to.
Yeah,
I'm able to.
Yeah.
So 75 up.
I'm talking about social science, SS, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. And then science.
Science, that will be again
Don't do like this in your exam.
70 up. 70 up.
Okay. 70 up. In
Or
science. Bro,
70 or 75 up. Yeah, because I am not knowing
you
that
can
what
say
the
73
hell.
above, na? 73 plus.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Then Hindi.
Hindi, that will be
Hindi.
again 65 up.
65 above. Okay. And what about Gujarati?
Again 65 above.
So is it like that in language subject you're aiming for 65 above, and in other theoretical papers?
But you know what, yaar? That Deepmala has given the target that you have to bring 75 above in Hindi
Bro,
and Gujarati.
मेरे काके ਦਾ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੈੱਕ
और
ਕਰਦੇ
ਕਹਿੰਦੀ 70 ਅਬ 73 ਅਬ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹੀ ਆਣੇ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਕੁੜੀ ਹੈ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਾ ਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਉਹਨੇ 73 ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਸੀ
Krisha, whom you fight?
I don't know who is that.
That one, Coco.
I don't know.
So
73 she scored 73.
So if we'll sum up your amount, like all your marks, so I guess approximately 85 is your target. approximately to get.
Is it so?
Yeah.
No.
So bro, how is it possible? Like for 98 you need to maximum for all the subject you need to subtract 10 to 15 marks overall. But in each subject you are like in language subject you are aiming for 65. So over there only 15 marks is cutting now.
So I don't know that what do I should say.
Okay, low okay. Like according to me, what you should do is that in theoretical paper you should attend 78 to 80 marks. You
That
should
is like a
think
game of
cup
play
of
and
tea. In this paper and talking about in your language paper, you can think of 65 to 70 marks because that thing will be better, right? So you should aim for this marks rather than 75 above and 65 above. You
I
should
can,
change your target.
okay, yeah.
Because what I personally recommend you is that you know all the concepts, you know the thing. I don't believe that there would be any answer that you will feel like I don't know.
In mathematics, it
In
could
any
be
language I'm talking about.
language. Okay.
In any language and in theoretical paper as well, like English, maths and all stuff. Right? I don't believe that if there would be any question that you can't be
Yeah,
able
in
to attempt
poems.
in any or
Poems,
something.
poems.
Bro, second thing I want to recommend you, don't leave any questions.
Yeah, that
In
was.
any questions means if you don't know any answer, at least attempt that answer. Don't put it empty. Right?
I'll
Don't-
write
don't-
one
don't-
extra.
don't-
Whether I
don't-
will
don't.
be writing it with myself or my own words,
Yeah.
but I will.
I am talking about that if you like there is compulsion that you are supposed to write 4 answer, but over there you only know 3 answer. Don't accept don't accept
Yeah.
that third fourth one. Write it as much as you know. Just sum up of all your information and write it over there. But don't make it blank. Any MCQ, any fill-ups or any question answer, don't left it. This is what I recommend you.
But you know what, Rudra would be having a target of scoring 80 out of 80 in this subject and 80 out of 80 in this
I
subject.
know. He was targeting of mathematics as well, science as well, social science as well. Because I personally feel you can, you can score 78 to 80 marks in your that language,
Language.
I'm talking about except language,
Okay.
yeah. But don't accept anything. So yeah, we get one another content over there. Okay, bye. Thanks. Stop it.